Okay, I've done something wrong. I'm running a hot in, a relay line to another plug-in, and a line up to a light. Now the line up to the light I have going right here, common and hot, into a switch. Then I have the extension and the hot, the main hot, in right here on the bottom pole on the plug. So it's junction and running over to another plug on another wall. So main hot, running over to another plug, running to the light. And the switch, the problem is the switch isn't working. It's staying a constant hot up to my switch box for the light. So what am I doing wrong? What have I mixed up? What do I need to change? Thank you for any help.